Hey Visioneers, welcome back to the channel where we simplify tech and AI tools to help you stay in control. Today I'll walk you through how to use Sentry PC, a powerful tool that lets you monitor and manage computer activity remotely. Whether you're a parent, a business owner, or just want to stay productive, this video is for you. What is Sentry PC? Sentry PC is a cloud-based computer monitoring and control tool. It helps you track how a computer is used, block access to websites or apps, set screen time rules, get real-time reports and screenshots. And the best part? You can do everything remotely from any device. Let's kick things off with step 1, creating your Sentry PC account and choosing the right plan. Head over to the official website, sentrypc.com, click on Buy Now or Pricing in the top menu. Sentry PC offers different plans depending on how many users or devices you want to monitor. Here's a quick breakdown. Basic plan. Great for solo users or parents. It includes one device and full access to all features like activity monitoring, content filtering, and time management. Business plans. Perfect if you're managing a team or need to monitor multiple employees. You can customize the number of devices and users. You can always upgrade your plan later if you need more device slots. Once you choose your plan, fill in your email, payment details, and create your account. Within minutes, you'll receive a confirmation email with your login credentials and a secure link to download the monitoring software. Now you're officially set up with a Sentry PC account. Let's move to installation. Step 2 is all about downloading and installing Sentry PC on the target computer. First things first, Sentry PC works in stealth mode. That means once it's installed, it won't show up in the taskbar, control panel, or installed apps. It's completely invisible to the user, so it's perfect for quiet monitoring. Here's what you do. 1. Log into your Sentry PC account from any web browser. 2. Go to your Devices section. 3. Click Add Device and follow the prompt to download the software. 4. You'll get a small installer file. Run this file on the computer you want to monitor. This could be your child's laptop, an employee's desktop, or even your own system. The installation takes less than 2 minutes, and no special technical skills are required. Once it's installed, the device will automatically connect to your cloud dashboard and monitoring starts immediately. Important, make sure you have permission if you're installing this on someone else's device, especially in a workplace environment. Respect privacy laws in your country. Now that it's installed, let's explore how the dashboard works and what you can control from it. Alright Visioneers, now that you've installed the Sentry PC software, it's time to jump into the cloud-based dashboard. This is your command center. First, log into your account at sentrypc.com. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you'll see a list of all devices connected to your account. Click on the name of the device you want to monitor. From here, you'll find a menu of features broken into tabs. Let's walk through some key sections. Activity logs. This shows you everything. Websites visited, applications used, keystrokes typed, file changes, logins, and more. It's time-stamped and organized for easy browsing. Screenshots. You can set the software to take automatic screenshots at timed intervals or during specific actions like opening a forbidden app. Location tracking. If the monitored device is a laptop or mobile device, you can track its physical location. Everything is presented in a clean, user-friendly layout. You don't need any tech background to understand what's happening. You can access this dashboard from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection. That's the beauty of a cloud-based system. Now, let's make Sentry PC work for you by customizing its settings. From the dashboard, go to the Settings or Rules tab for the selected device. Here, you can tailor the monitoring and restrictions to match your goals, whether it's for parenting or workplace productivity. Here's what you can do. Check mark content filtering. Block specific websites or entire categories like adult content, gambling, or social media. You can also create an allowed list of sites. Everything else is automatically blocked. App and game control. Block certain apps completely, like games or social media platforms. Set usage limits on how long they can be used per day. Time management. Create daily or weekly schedules. Limit screen time by total hours per day or block access during certain time blocks, e.g. during homework hours or work shifts. Keystroke monitoring. Enable this to track everything typed on the keyboard, including search queries, chats, and emails. These rules are flexible. You can apply them to a single device or multiple devices at once. You'll also get alerts if someone tries to break a rule or access a restricted area. And remember, you can update these settings anytime, remotely from your dashboard. Next up, we'll show you how to review reports and take action based on what you discover. All right, Visioneers, once your monitoring is active and rules are in place, it's time to review the real goldmine, the activity logs and reports. Head to the Logs section on your Sentry PC dashboard. Here's what you'll find. Website usage. See a detailed list of all websites visited, how long they were viewed, and at what time. Application usage. Know exactly which programs or apps were opened, including games, browsers, and even incognito tabs. Keystroke logs. Read what's being typed, like search terms, messages, or notes. Everything is recorded with a timestamp. Screenshots. If you enabled screenshots, you'll see visual evidence of screen activity at regular intervals or when certain triggers occur. Session logs. Know when the device was turned on or off and for how long it was active. You can filter this data by time period, today, this week, last month, or by activity type. If you notice a pattern, like a child spending too much time on YouTube during homework hours or an employee using unauthorized software, you can instantly adjust rules and limits based on that insight. This gives you total visibility and control. No guessing, no assumptions. Last but definitely not least, let's talk alerts and automation. Head over to the Alerts and Actions tab in the dashboard. This is where you can create real-time alerts, get email or dashboard notifications when someone tries to visit a blocked site, use a restricted app, or exceeds screen time limits. You can also set alerts for specific keywords, so if someone types in suspicious or sensitive terms, you'll be instantly notified. Automate responses. Sentry PC can automatically log out a user if they hit their daily screen limit. It can block internet access during restricted hours. You can even have it automatically take a screenshot if a rule is violated. These automations help you stay in control even when you're not actively watching. Whether you're a busy parent, a team manager, or a concerned partner, you get peace of mind 24/7. Everything you set is cloud-based, so you can update or pause any rule on the fly. And that's how you use Sentry PC, from installation to full control over device usage and behavior. Whether you're a parent, business owner, or just someone looking to stay organized and secure, Sentry PC makes it easy to monitor, manage, and protect what matters most. So there you have it, simple, powerful, and cloud-based. Remember, learning how to use tech tools like this may feel overwhelming at first, but you're doing great. Every step you take is a step toward more control, confidence, and clarity in your digital world. Keep going, you've got this. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what other tools or tech tutorials you'd love to see next. Don't forget to download my free Sentry PC checklist to follow along step by step. Hit that subscribe button for more AI tools, tech tips, and smart digital solutions right here on Augusta Vision.